Hi friends, now we will try to summarize up till now what we learned multiplication with number 11. Okay, number 1 is 11 into suppose 53. This is friends, actually this is case 1, sum of the two digits less than 10. See, 5 plus 3 is 8 only, so less than 10. So this type of problems can be solved like this. So first in first and last in last, 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the answer friends. Now case 2. Case 2 is 11 into 95. See friends, see sum of the two digits more than 10. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So this is case 2, sum of the two digits more than or equal to 10. In this case we will do like this. So what we have to do? First in first only, last in last. Now 9 plus 5 is 14, so you write down this. So 10, 4, 5 is the answer. Okay, 10, 5, this is 5. Okay, 10, 0, see 10, 45, see 1045 is the answer. Now case 3. Case 3 is multiplying more than two digits, suppose 2, 3, 4. In this case what we will do is just add 0 before and after the number which we want to multiply. Okay, so now 0, 4 is 4, 4, 3, 7, 3, 2, 5, 2, 0, 2. See, this is the answer friend. See, this is also like case 1 only, or you see sum of the two digits less than 10 only. See, coming here we have 11 into 5, 6, 7. So in this case what we have to do? 5, 6, 7, 0. Now 7, 0, 7, 6, 7 is 13. So 1 carry, 5, 6, 11, 1 carry. Next 5, 0 is 5. So answer is 6, 2, 3, 7. See, like this friends, we can do case 4 also. Now we will switch over to other numbers. Number 5. Suppose if we have something like this. How to do this? So in this case what we will do is, see, when we have 11 we added 1 0. Now we have 111, so we will add 2 zeros, that's it, before and after the number which we want to multiply. And here what we will do is, we will each time we add different, see, 3 numbers. Okay, last time we added from right to left 2 digits, now we have to add 3 digits. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 3, 4 1 3 4 8 4 3 see 3 4 0 7 4 0 0 4. See, this is the answer, friends. See, this is also case 1 only. Why? Because sum of the 3 digits we are getting only less than 10. So now the last one, 11 into 111 into 5 6 4 7. So friends, what we will do? See, sum of the 2 digits or 3 digits more than 10. So in this case, what we will do is just as usual add 2 zeros before and after the number which we want, multiply. Now from right to left add 3 digits each time. 0 0 7 7 0 7 4. So 11 1 carry. So 7 4 6 17 7 1 carry. Next 4 6 8 4 6 5 is 15 1 carry. 6 5 0 11 1 carry. Next 0 0 5. So 5 0 0 is 5. So answer is 6 2 6 8 1 7. This is the answer, friends. Right. With this we will conclude multiplication with number 11 very easily.